In this video, I will show how to run Windows Update Troubleshooter in Windows 11. So click on Start. Here click on Settings. Now scroll down and here is the option Troubleshoot. Click on it. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Now here you will see the Windows Update. Just click on Run. Now wait for a few seconds and follow the instruction which you see in this display. Now if you see check for Windows Update issues detected, did we fix your problem? So just click on yes. Here is the detailed information. So you can recognize and you can find out the problems and errors. Then click on next. Here click on yes. Now close Troubleshooter and restart your system. So this is the method guys, you can run Windows Update Troubleshooter in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.